Okay, just wanted to start recording here real quick. Just got the latest update, 14.6.7. I got to go pick this person up here and drop them off. Very first test drive on this. So very first test is if it can get out of the hotel parking lot. Okay, there we are. We try to get the AC to calm down there. They're at, where are they at? And we are going, they're at Instagram. It looks like they're in the back of Instagram. Yeah, it didn't get over to that side there. I'm trying to see if it will follow my turn signals. It won't cross that red line and those white lines until we clear. Always very annoying. Really wish if they would at least follow my turn signals on that. I want to say they're over here at this Grand. I don't think. I have 650. But yeah, I'm gonna, after I drop this person off, I'm gonna go and try a couple of my other things I have problems with real quickly, but I gotta get back to making money here. And I'm going to end this now and see what we can do.